Hey guys, Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions out on a home inspection this Saturday, May 6th. I'm going to be out here all day. Homeowners Association contacted me, asked me if I'd do a mass cleaning. So I'm doing about 14 units today. I'm not going to go live on all 14 of them. I've already got 3 out of the way. I'm going to do a few here and there just so you can see. This one is done annually. It's been done annually. So I wanted to videotape it just to see what we get out of it. So 317-430-3993, 317-430-3993. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Let's go ahead and take a look inside this vent. So we do have some buildup up in there. So I am going to lay you down here. There is a ledge, so hopefully you can see pretty good with that. And then we're going to go ahead and get this started. And see how we end up. I normally do 1 or 2 passes like that just to kind of make sure if there's nothing on the sidewalls. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. I'm doing 14 cleanings today. We're at the back of the dryer. So we have 21 feet of pipe total. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. I'm going to spin you around here, let you see inside this, and that is what a clean dryer vent looks like. Do you know what's inside your vent? If you don't, call me. I'll show you.